Sometimes app images fail when running them, more on rolling release distros. For example, we run Armbian Imager, but it fails. Obsolete arguments were sent to the EGL API, breaking communication with live EGL. Stay tuned to the video to see a way to fix it. We enter the official Armbian website, press boards and scroll down to the downloads area. We expand the list and look for Orange Pi. We search among the different available devices. We will find the Orange Pi RV2 board. We press it and it suggests using Imager. After pressing download twice, we select x64 for Linux. The download will start. We wait for it to finish and close the windows. From the terminal, we enter downloads and run the downloaded app image. As mentioned, execution fails due to EGL display problems. To fix it, we download Git, NodeJS and NPM packages. In my case, I already have them. I reinstall them and fix the conflicts. The next step is cloning the Imager repo from GitHub and Armbian. We enter the directory and run npm install to add the elements. To test execution beforehand, we can use npm run dev. The application will be available on localhost with port 5173. Then, we click on the link and the browser will open with the app. As it is in development, we see it has no mirror connectivity. If we wish to run it without creating any executable, we run npm run Tauri dev. It will start compiling all required packages. If any is missing, it will show it and must be installed to try again. If all goes well, the Armbian Imager binary starts building. Now, it will automatically start running the binary, indicating step by step the execution process. Then, we reopen localhost. In the first option, we select the brand. In our case, we select Orange Pi, we select the RV2 board, and then the operating system. It shows 4 images for the selected board, 2 images based on Ubuntu Resolute, and 2 other images based on Debian Trixie. Now we select the newest one based on Ubuntu and it shows an image status warning. We press confirm to continue the process. Then we are left with the storage device selection. As it will be a new system for the board, we must insert a microSD memory. After inserting the memory, we press the storage option. Then we select the device and press the erase and flash button. The first step for writing the image on the memory is downloading the image. This will be downloaded automatically from the mirror. The second step for the recording is verifying the downloaded file integrity, normally utilizing some method such as SHA. Upon verifying that the download was done correctly, without errors, it will proceed to decompress the file, MB to GB normally. Then it asks for the password to validate and flash the image on the selected device. Flashing starts showing the percentage. In the next video we will show if this image boots correctly or has a problem, as it warned us. It is a community-made image. The fourth step after writing is the verification that data has been written correctly, comparing it with the original image. Then it will indicate that the flashing process finished. We press Done. The process finished running the app with NPM directly. We wait for you for the next video where we will configure the microSD image to run on the Orange Pi RV2 from the M2 drive. That is all for this video. If you liked it, subscribe, leave a like and activate notifications. See you in the next video.